Looking for the perfect fresh side dish that won't break the bank? This is Nom on a Budget, and today we're making a Greek pesto quinoa salad. It's the ultimate vibrant side that tastes like a Mediterranean vacation but costs less than a takeout coffee. This recipe is a total game changer. It's zesty, protein packed, and comes together in under 25 minutes. We're talking juicy tomatoes, creamy feta, and a pesto twist that makes this the star of any meal. High flavor, low cost, the perfect side dish for any budget. Let's get cooking. Alright, step 1. Dump in 1 cup of dried quinoa. Now, I usually recommend giving this a rinse first to get that bitterness out, but today I was in a rush, so we're living life on the edge. It's cheap, it's easy, and it's our base. Let's go. Now, for the liquid gold. We're adding 1.5 cups of chicken broth. Listen, you could use water, but broth adds so much flavor for literally pennies. It's the ultimate budget glow up. Just pour it right over your quinoa. Fun fact, quinoa is actually a seed, not a grain, and it's one of the only plant foods that is a complete protein. Time for some greenery. Toss in a big handful of spinach. It's gonna wilt down to basically nothing, so don't be shy. It's the cheapest way to add some fancy color and nutrients without actually trying. Throw it in and let's move. Grab 1 pint of grape tomatoes. I got these on rollback, thank you very much. We're gonna slice these little babies right down the middle and set them aside in a bowl. Now take about half of those halved beauties and drop them straight into the pot. Adding them now gets them all soft and jammy while the rest stay fresh for later. It's a texture game, people, and we're winning for under $5. Lid on, switch it to sealing. We're pressure cooking for just 1 minute. Once the cook timer is done, leave it alone for 10 minutes to naturally release. This is where the magic happens on a budget. Patience is free, people. Time's up. Flip that valve and quick release the rest of the pressure. Watch out for steam. In goes 1 can of garbanzo beans. Drained and rinsed, obviously. These are the ultimate budget filler. Now grab the rest of those tomatoes we halved earlier and toss them in too. We're getting that perfect mix of cooked and fresh textures. Look at that color. Time to herb it up. Add 1 tablespoon of basil. If you have a plant on your windowsill, use that to save some coin. Otherwise, the dried stuff works just fine. It's gonna add that sweet, peppery kick that makes this whole dish scream Mediterranean vacation. Now, for the secret weapon, 1 tablespoon of pesto. This is where all that garlic and herb goodness comes from. It's a flavor bomb in a jar, and a little goes a long way when you're cooking on a budget. Get every last bit off that spoon because we don't want to waste the flavor in this house. To bring it all together, we're drizzling in 2 tablespoons of Greek salad dressing. This adds a tangy, zesty punch that makes everything pop. You can use the store brand stuff to keep the costs down. It'll just taste incredible once it hits that warm quinoa. It's starting to smell like a literal dream in here. Get it all in there, every last drop. And for the grand finale, the feta. Drop in a 1/4 cup of salty, tangy crumbles. Feta is the ultimate budget luxury. A little bit completely transforms the whole bowl. Look at those white colors pop against the greens. Give it all a big, beautiful stir. This is ready to serve and you can eat it hot or cold. Personally, I think it's best hot. Pro tip. If you want it warm, just leave your Instant Pot on the keep warm function instead of turning it off. Stick around because I'm about to do a taste test and I'll have a full list of ingredients and step-by-step instructions coming up next so you can try it at home. Alright, I got it right here. Let's give it a try. The creaminess of that feta is incredible. It doesn't taste like a budget food at all. It tastes like a high-end bistro salad. The quinoa really soaks up that pesto so there's flavor with every little bite. It's refreshing and it might just be my favorite side dish now. Now, before you go, here's my Nom on a Budget pro tip. Quinoa can be expensive if you buy the small name brand boxes, so be sure to check out the bulk bins at your grocery store instead. You can grab exactly what you need for just a few dollars. Also, Also, if you have any leftover pesto, go check out my gnocchi pesto chicken soup, so none of that pesto goes to waste. That's it for today. If you're looking for more ways to eat like royalty on a shoestring budget, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also leave a thumbs up on this video. Let me know in the comments what you're pairing this salad with. This is Nom on a Budget, and I'll see you in the next one.